GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso sayang linghod nga pangidaron 13 anyos makapabilib yun kining iyang abilidad mga kapuso gihulagway gikonsidera nga fastest Pinoy speed cuber. Kinsa ang mahiligon og Rubik's Cube diha mga kapuso tungod kay karong buntaga makauban nato ang proud Sugbuanon si Leo Borromeo. Good morning, Leo.
Good morning.
Hi Leo, thank you so much for joining us. Let's talk first about your love for Rubik's Cube sa speed cubing. Bata pa ka, nagsugod na gyud ka and who taught you to do Rubik's Cube?
I actually learned how to Rubik's Cube through YouTube videos.
Why is it that you were interested really to do Rubik's Cube?
So I just stumbled upon these YouTube videos by Rubik's speed cubers because they were just it really interested me. How fast they could solve it, how they could solve it, and yeah.
How do you do?
I wanted to learn it for myself.
How do you do it, Lei? I admit I really don't know how to do Rubik's Cube. What is the secret and how do you do it?
I just practice, learn from my experience from solving a lot, see what my problems are and improve on them.
How fast is your fastest time, Lei?
My fastest time is 3.22 seconds.
Oh, that's really fast. Can you tell us more about the competition you joined lately, Leo?
YouTuber from the US named Laser Monkey. He organized this online competitions. It had eight of the fastest speed cubers from around the world, and it was called the Monkey League, and it was streamed on Twitch every week from September to October. Yes.
And how did the competition go, Lei? How was your other competitors? Was it really a difficult one for you?
One of the competitors, namely Timon Kolasinski, he's from Poland, and also the greatest speed cuber of all time, Felix Zemdex. I think I lost twice to Timon, the keeper from Poland, but I eventually beat him in the finals.
So how was it after that Monkey League? You placed first. Your reaction?
Yeah, I was really filled with joy. To be honest, I was expecting it to be way harder than it was, but sadly it wasn't his day. But yeah, I was really happy.
Pero if you were to choose, Lei, asa man ka, would you prefer kaning face-to-face, you go to the venue for this competition, or okay ra na ingon ani virtual, you're just playing at home?
I think I would rather prefer face-to-face competitions just for the experience. Being able to talk to other people. It's really different nowadays because of the virus.
What's next for you? Do you plan to join other competitions as well?
The World Championships is scheduled for next year, but I'm in the Netherlands. But I'm not really sure if I could attend that because I live in the Philippines and the situation here isn't the best.
Asa man nimo i-dedicate ang imong win, Lei?
Actually, 2 weeks before the finals of the competition, my grandfather died because of multiple difficulties. So yeah, I really dedicated this to him. And yeah, the practice paid off.
So he was one of your very ardent supporters.
Yes.
Ang imong lolo. Lei, do you have a Rubik's Cube with you right now? Diha?
Yes. Actually, I have one right now.
You have one right now. Sige. Would it be okay? Can we ask you, we know, kayang-kaya kayo ni mo, chicken na kayo ni para nimo, pero amo kang taiman kunuhay ba? Kung okay lang ka.
Okay.
Can you raise it? Isa ka sa jutay, Ray. Jutay. Isa ka gamay liha so we can see. Sige, Lei. 3, 2, 1, go! seconds ra gyud to kung sakto akong timer. 10 seconds today. Wow, congrats. You said your fastest time is 3 seconds. You're targeting to do it way faster pag yun?
As of now, I'm number 2 in Asia, and number 1 is a fellow Filipino named Sean Patrick Villanueva. And yeah, I'm really trying to beat his record.
Finally, Leo, your message to our viewers watching right now, what would you like to tell maybe, of course, kids as young as you, your age, maybe some of them would be interested to play Rubik's Cube?
It takes practice to become good at something. And the secret is really practice. Yes.
Wow. And we look forward to seeing more of you. Thank you so much for joining us, Leo. Thank you.